Wait a minute. Abhi I'm speaking. Look here on the board how to take out the factors. 15 comes in the table of 1. 15 comes in the table of 15. 15 comes in the table of 2. Yes or no? 15 2 से divisible है या नहीं है? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
नहीं है. So we will not write 2. We will not write 2. 2 के बाद 3. 3 से divisible है 15? Yes.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
divisible by 3 5s are 15. 6 से no, 7 से no, 8 से no, 9 no, 10 no, 11 no. 11 no, 12 no, 13 no, 14 no, 15. 15 is already there. Now we will take out the factors of 12. 12 is divisible by 1? Yes. The 12 ones are 12. When it is divisible by 2? 2 6 are 12. It is divisible by 3? 3 4s are 12. And it is divisible by 4? Yes, 4 is written there. So these all are factors of 12. Like this you have to take out one by one. Now the factors of 27, 1 and 27. 2 say it is not divisible because it is not an even number. 3 say it is divisible, 3 nines are 27. 4 say it is not divisible, 5 say it is not divisible, 6 say it is not divisible, 7 say it is 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. 7 say it is not divisible, 8 say it will not be divisible, 9 say 9 is already there. So we will stop here. When we see any number and it is already there, then we will stop. So these are factors of 9. So if you see 1 is here, 1 is here, 1 is here. When is the factor of every number? If you see 3, 3, 3, but 2 is nowhere. 3, 3, 3. Now check 5, 5 is not there, 5 is not there. 15 is there, 15 is not there, 15 is not there. So answer will be 1 and 3. So 16 is coming in the table of 16, 16 ones are 2 8s are. 16 is not coming in the table of 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. It comes in the table of 4, 4 4s are 16. If 4 is repeating, now we will not say 4 4s are 16. So if 4 is repeating, so we will not take out more factors, we will stop here. Now factors of 18. So 1 and 18 will be one of the factor. Now, it is divisible by 2. Yes, 2 nines are 18. It is divisible by 3. Yes, 3 6 are 18. 4, 4 it is not divisible by 4. 5 it is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by, it is divisible by 6, but 6 is already written here, so we will stop. Now, factors of 48. 1, 48. If you see 2, 2 24s is 48. 3, 3 16s is 48. Okay, 4, 4 ones are 4, 12s are, 12 fours are 48. 5, it is not divisible by 5. 6, yes, it is divisible by 6, 6 8s are 48. I'm not getting space there, so I'm writing 6 and 8 here. So, the number which are having least number of factors, जिसके पास सबसे कम factors है, उससे check करते हैं. 1 is there, 1 is there, 1 is there. So, we will circle this 1, 1, 1. 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. 4, 4 is not here, 4 is here. So we will not mark 4. 8, 8 is not there, 8 is not there. 16 is there, 16 is not there, 16 is not there. So 1, comma 2 are the two factors. 1, comma 2 are the two factors. Have you understood? Anybody is having any problem? Unmute yourself and tell me. Is there anybody who is facing
No,
any
ma'am.
problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
If you have
ma'am.
any problem, say yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If you have any problem, say yes, ma'am. I hope everyone has copied down this thing. If you have not copied, then do it because most of you have done it wrong. Especially the factors of 48. Okay, I got 4 more answers. Noel. Okay, Noel, it is
Ma'am, I have
correct.
copied.
Noel, but you have not
Ma'am,
done that. Noel, but you have not taken out the common factors. You have taken out only factors, not common factors. Who is this?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it's correct. Ashu Gangwar, it's correct, beta. Very good, Ashu. Who is this, Meena? Who is this Meena? Arjun Bhardwaj. Okay, Arjun, it is correct. Correct. Arjun, it is correct, beta. Okay, now everyone take out new page, or you can continue from the same page if you have the space. Now we are going to do HCF. Similar way we have to do it. HCF, it is done in the same way, but we have to take out the highest common factor. Okay, and be quick everyone, you are taking a lot of time to do the answers. And I want answers of all those who are present, otherwise I will mark your absent. Right? If you are present and did not send me the answer, I will mark your absent. Okay. Right, next question. Wait. Question B. You can start from a new page or you can start from the same page as you wish. Find. Write it. Find HCF of the following number. We don't do one thing. Wait. At the top, you can start from a new page. Better to start from a new page. Start from a new page. Write HCF full form first of all. HCF. Highest common factor. Very good. Highest common
factor.
Okay, right at the top. Now, write question B. Write it quickly. You have to send me the answer. 15 and 18. Quickly do this. Similar way you have to take out. Factors of 15 you have to take out, then factors of 18 you have to take out. Make sure you are not repeating the numbers. And not extra numbers also. Do not write extra also. Otherwise the whole question will become wrong. Take out the factors similar as you have taken out that previous question. First one as well as question A as well as question B also you will do. Question A, after that you will do question B also. Do both the question and send me the answer on WhatsApp quickly. These 30 and 40. Yes. Do it quickly. See, 15, 15, 1, 3, 5, 15 as we have already done the previous question. 18, 1 and 18 will be one of the factor. 2 nines are 18 is one of the factor. 3 6 are 18 is one of the factor. And 4 5 6. Okay, so these are the factors. 1 is common here, 3 is common here. So highest one is which one? Highest one. We will not write 1 and 3. 1 and 3 will be wrong here. 1 and 3 is wrong because they are asking about the highest. Which is the highest in 1 and 3? Tell me quickly.
3.
3. 3 is the highest. So HCF of 15 and 18 is 3. That means 3 is divisible by this number also. 3 is divisible. No, this number is divisible by 3. This number is also divisible by 3. Now, let us take out the factors of 30. Factors of 30. Okay, I'm doing like this. Factors of 30 are 1, 30, 2 15s are. There are so many factors of 30, so I'm taking a little more space. 1 30s are, 2 15s are, 3 are, 4 is not there, 5 6 are, then 6 5s are is again 30, so we will stop. These are factors of 30. Now we will take out the factors of 40. Okay, someone can tell me the factors of 40? Advika, tell me the factors of 40.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
40. 1,
Yes.
4,
Not 2.
5.
2 will not be there.
No, ma'am.
Why?
1, 2, 4, 5.
Why no? 2 will be there.
Ma'am,
2 20s are 40. Then 2.
yes, ma'am.
Then Advika 3.
No, ma'am. 4.
Then 4. Then
5.
Then
8.
good. Then
10.
good. Then
20.
good.
20.
Yes.
And 40, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Now we will take out the common one. Common ones. First of all, we will take out the common. Common is what here? Common is 1, 2, 3 is there, 3 is not there, 5, 5, 6, 10, 10, 15, not there, 30, 30. Just wait a minute. Okay. So what is the HCF here? What is the HCF here? HCF. In bracket you will put 30, comma 40 is equals to, see, 1, 2, 5, 10 are the common factors. Which is the highest? Fahad, tell me which is the highest.
10.
Which is the highest?
10.
10. Fahad, are you listening to me? Fahad, my voice is visible, audible to you? I don't think so. It's audible to him. So HCF will be 10 over here. Which is the highest? 10 is the highest. 1, 2, 5, 10. 10 is the highest.
Correct.
Is it correct? Okay, now only 2 questions are left and the time is going to be up. This meeting is going to be over. We will do the next 2 questions in the next period. Okay, but one question I can give you that you can do it in homework. That you can suppose that is in the homework. One question I can give. Start doing it right now. Start doing it right now. C part. A, B. Now I'm doing writing the C part. C part. Write down the question. Okay, beta, let's see. We will do the C part next time. Remind me next time that it will be on C part because less than 1 minute is left. Okay. Shreyansh, beta, it is correct. Lakshay, it is correct. Good. Anybody who else is left? How many of you are left?
Nobody.
Nobody is left. Nahi, there are so many. Fahad, are you getting my voice? Fahad, are you